much. You weigh 49.2 today.
Mom, please stop.
I did. I listened to you.
Thank you.
You promised you're going to feed the sausage to the chicken.
Just
So we didn't have any baby alligators.
Please be quiet. I'm trying to go to sleep.
Joe, we only have 3 more miles. Why would you go to sleep now?
I'm tired.
But I can't carry you, remember? You had a baby alligator.
No, I didn't. I'm not an alligator.
That's what your shoes are made out of.
Everybody's humans except the animals.
Well, yeah, I know that, but your shoes are made out of alligators.
No, they
What are
aren't.
they made out of?
I don't know. They're made out of rubber.
No, the top's not rubber. It's made out of cow.
No, it
Yes,
isn't.
it is. Yes, it is. Joe, that's what leather is cow skin. Joe, cheer up. How much you think you weigh? Stop.